Thank you so much to all my organic followers around the world, especially in different races and different cultures and different religions around the world. Thank you so much to all of you, mga kaibigan. That's from here in the country. Good morning, good day to all of us. No, thank you so much to all of you. And we have to discuss that in the highly civilized or the highly civilizations of the humanity around the world, mga kaibigan, there is a lot of questions, there is a lot of problems and trials to come the life of the certain individuals around the world. That's we need to discuss and we need to understand and different ideas and different opinion of different individuals. So as we call the individuals is unique. So we don't have the same ideas and the same opinion to solve and different trials and problems to come in our life. So that's why, and the races and different cultures in the highly civilized humanity around the universe, mga kaibigan, there is a lot of the questions around the world that you do not know and we do not know how to solve, and we do not know how to gather all that kinds of the informations that we need in our life. So that's why as of now, mga kaibigan, as to the part of the law of divine creations around the world, so that's why the people around the world right now, we don't have the same dialect, we don't have the same language around the world in order for us to understand a certain individuals in this life. So that is the holy gospel or the holy creations will promoting on that into the people around the world, mga kaibigan, that there is one God, one who gave that knowledge and hope to everybody. When the life is begun on this earth, and then there is one creators. So even you do not believe or what the religions you are, what the races you are, and what the belief that you need in your life, but can you imagine there is one God in the life of this earth, the one who gave everything, mga kaibigan. When the life is begun and the creations will promote as a stewardship of individuals around the earth, mga kaibigan. So that is called the stewardship by the holy creations of the law of divine creations. So that's why God make the people to understand in different languages and dialects around the world in this universe. So thank you so much to all of us. If we do not understand that, I am not an expert here to discuss everything, but I am here to reiterate that kinds of informations based on what I am reading on the different books and myths, methodologies, and different books that I being read in my life, mga kaibigan, in order for us to understand. The life is the most important on this universe, not the problem, not the money. But when that comes into the highly civilized or in the highly civilizations of the humanity around the world, the money was created by man, not by God. That the money was established and began to circulate around the world in order as a mobility and the needs of the people. And then the money right now is the most second highest powerful like God. Because there is a lot of people that they don't have money or the lack of money, and they will engage in any illegal activities and the crime, and they will willing to commit crimes, mga kaibigan. So there is a lot of questions around the world, especially to all my organic followers here. That is my answer. That was my discoveries when the life was begun on this earth and gave the hope by the holy creations. And then the life in the highly civilized humanity was created this money from the people's work. So that's why there is a lot of questions. That's why there is a lot of problems right now. So dapat you can understand it should be all of you, of us, will understand how much the life and the money you have. We have one life, and you have much money in your life. So that's why in the needs of mobility, money is the need of the people and around the world right now. And the second highest, most powerful. If you don't have money, if you have a lack of money in your life, in our life right now, the respect of the people around the world, it's depend upon the money what you have. What we have, mga kaibigan. So that's why we do not base like that. Because everything in this world, we left when we are going to the second life, when we are die, mga kaibigan. Can you imagine with that? And the people around the world, especially the most corrupt politician around the world, especially here in the Philippines right now, mga kaibigan. That the money and you have right now, a lot of money in the bank, in your vault, in your house, and then we left everything if we go to another place, mga kaibigan. So that's why you can understand, especially the big continent and the most powerful country right now, if a lot of money is, you are the most powerful. Kaya dito sa Pilipinas, tatakbo ka lang ng politika, sa politika. You go to in politics to become a politician and to become corrupt, and then you have a lot of money and you are the most powerful. Diba? Thank you so much.